Alright guys, I'm back. So I removed the shroud, which has got it got these little clips here, which is a lot easier than the other one. You have to take all these screws out. Didn't take any screws out of the back. I removed one there thinking that was screwed onto that, but it wasn't. It's screwed onto the plastic that's on the card itself. And I guess I take it all these screws here are holding this piece of plastic right there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these four, get 1, 2, 3, 4 screws right there, this heat sink, and the GPU is right underneath. The spring-loaded screws here, and I'm not going to take them all out. I'm just going to take them to just loosen it up. They're pretty tight in there, so if you take your time, you know, trying to get them loose. I think they should be loose right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to wiggle this around so it'll come right out. See, I had it on for a while, so it came out pretty quick. Now if I would have let this dry and cool off, it would have baked on there. It would have got real tight on there. And as you can see that paste on that, and if you look at the GPU, it's practically dry. I mean, I touch it and it's dry. It's dry. I mean, there's no heat transfer on that to keep that GPU cool. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to clean this off. You know, I'm going to use some paper towel. I got some glue off, which is pretty strong and it comes out pretty quick. But before I use that, I'm just going to try to clean that off with paper towel, you know, and a little alcohol. Just going to clean it off, and then if I have to use the glue off, I'm going to use the glue off and clean it off pretty well.